Have you been posting for months and months and months now, or even for years, and you're not seeing any results? No views, no engagement, no income. And you've been wondering why, or maybe you're just starting out and you don't know where to start. Well, let me tell you something. Stick around with me, watch this video, just a few minutes of your time, and I will be sharing with you exactly how we use the trend hacking strategy to reach out to millions of people and at the same time make millions of dollars with YouTube. So basically just turning your passion into profits. So whether you're interested in cooking or dancing or singing, or you like art, photography, or talking about a certain topic, you can take your passion and literally turn it into profit and at the same time inspire and impact thousands of people. So if that sounds good to you, stick around, because at the end of this video, I also have a special gift for you that I want to share with you. So make sure if you're committed to this, you are going to watch the video until the end and take out your notepad and pens right now so you know exactly what to do. Because we have a 3-day event coming up that is called Social Influencer Accelerator, and millions of people have joined that before and have been able to not only get more view and more engagement, but actually monetize their channel. So if you want to know how did they do this and how have we been able to do the same with 6 of our channels, literally Master Shri Akashna, who has over 1.9 million subscribers on his YouTube channel, has been able to impact millions of people from all around the world, and at the same time is making millions right now by just posting videos on his YouTube channel. So if you want to have the same, stick around. Because the first thing that you're going to learn inside the Social Influencer Accelerator, and make sure to write this down so you know exactly what is there in store for you, is how to use a trend hacking strategy. So what does it mean? Instead of just doing content, random content that nobody's interested in, and that's probably the reason why you're not getting any views right now, is to model other people's content. That means you piggyback off other people's success now, and your videos are also going to go viral. The second thing that you're going to learn is how to edit and how to film your videos exactly so that you can keep people's retention and make them watch the video until the end. Because one of YouTube requirements in order to get monetized is to get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. And let me tell you something, some of our students have been able to reach this goal within 6 weeks. 6 weeks of starting their YouTube channel. So if you haven't been there yet, if you've been struggling, let me tell you something, this is gonna turn everything around for you. And the third thing that you're gonna learn is how to exactly create viral content without having to put in too much effort. And the dates for this event, you can find them inside the description below. So who's going to be there? Master Shri Akashna, who has over 1.9 million subscribers, who has taught over thousands of people from all around the world, is going to run the 3-day event. Every day you have 10 hours with us. And now I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, well, I can learn all of this on YouTube. Why do I have to join a whole event? Well, let me tell you something. Think about it. Imagine having somebody walking you through the process step by step, sharing their screen, showing you how to set up your YouTube channel, how to create viral content, how to use a trend hacking strategy, which button to click. Imagine just 30 hours of your time and you can potentially monetize your channel, create viral content, and inspire millions of people. Because so many other people have been able to do exactly that. And you can see right here on these screenshots that not only he has been able to do so, but so many other of our students. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what's the investment for this 3-day event with Master Shri Akashna? Well, if you go to the brochure website right now, you will see the brochure price for this $997. Now you're probably thinking, what, $997? As I said before, I have a special gift for you, and I have a special sponsorship gift, special offer right here, right now, and we have only limited spaces, so you got to be fast. So how it's going to work is very simple. The moment you click on the link inside the description, you will see that you received the full Social Influencer Accelerator, not for the investment of $997, but actually for only, and this is a special offer that we have right now, is only $111. That means we are covering majority of the sponsorship for you, and we are paying $800 so that you can join us for the next Social Influencer Accelerator. So if you like the sound of that, and if you would want to join, and if you're ready and you're actually committed to take action, you actually say, hey, you know what? I don't want to just think about it anymore. I want to actually be successful on YouTube. I would like to inspire people. I would like to impact people. I would love to turn my passion into profit. We have so many people that have joined us before that came to this event and have been able to successfully reach out to thousands of people, change their lives literally, receiving comments like, hey, you saved my life. So if you're ready to become a thriving social influencer right now, make sure to click on the link. We're looking forward to seeing you for the 3-day event with Master Shreya Krishna. See you there.
I could barely call myself an entrepreneur. There was very little business going on. There was very little abundance happening. The reality was I was stuck. And I started to learn from them all of these trend-hacking growth strategies. And this is what opened my eyes to investing in shortcuts and learning from people who actually had the results that I was looking for. It's not my weakness for me to have help. That was when my life changed. It wasn't because I had some kind of magic spell that you guys don't have. I followed exactly what I was taught. The things that Sabrina teaches all of her students inside of the YouTube growth program. But you know what I was lacking? Being serious and consistent. This happens.
My YouTube getting viral, my TikTok, Instagram. Now I have 1 million followers on TikTok and almost 300,000 subscribers on YouTube, and still growing, and I'm still learning from Master Shri.
Click into this notification button, and then I saw all these are my videos. I'm like, hey, what happened? What is this? Why is all my videos showing there? And I managed to monetize my YouTube channel after 4 months.